Welcome to part 4 of the Private SME demo. In this section, we'll explore a critical security feature, remote wipe. Delete sensitive data from a device, even if they no longer have physical access to it. This feature is especially useful if a device is lost, stolen, or compromised. To begin, navigate to the Active Users tab. Find the user that requires a remote wipe and click the Remote Wipe icon. Now choose to wipe data from all of the user's devices or a specific device. Once initiated, a secure command is transmitted to the targeted device. The Pryvate app on the device verifies the wipe request. The app then erases all sensitive data, including chat histories, encryption keys, media files, user credentials. The app immediately logs out all active sessions. Encryption keys are invalidated, preventing any future access, even if the app is reopened. Once complete, the user will receive a confirmation that the wipe was successful. If the device was offline, an alert will be sent notifying that the wipe could not be completed. The remote wipe icon is grayed out after process has completed. With Remote Wipe, Pryvate ensures that your organization's data remains secure, even in worst-case scenarios. Thank you for watching the Private SME demo.